Good morning, children. This is the unit measurement of capacity, page number 153. Let's learn about capacity. Look, I have a bottle filled with water and an empty container. Let's pour this water into a container. Look, the water started overflowing and fell out of the container. Hence, we say the capacity of bottle is more than the empty container. Okay, because when we were pouring this water in the empty container, it overflowed. It means that the water in this bottle was more than this container. It means that bottle can hold more water than the container. The amount of liquid a container can hold is called its capacity. It means this bottle has more capacity than the this jar. Okay, because when we were pouring the water in this empty container, so it overflowed, means it doesn't has that much capacity. Look, here is the capacity measured by the different units, liters and milliliters. These are the units of the capacity. Liters. Liters can be written as L. Liters can be written as L in short. Milliliters can be written as ml in short. Liters. Liters is the bigger unit compared to milliliters. Milliliter is a smaller unit. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter can be written in this way. Here are some instruments used to measure liters, milliliters and 200 liters, 500 liters. So these are the instruments that is approved by the government. You all have seen that milk seller, he brings this type of instrument to measure the milk because milk is liquid. Milk is liquid. So this is 5 liters. So if you put 5 liters of milk in this, means this container has the capacity of holding 5 liters of milk, water or oil, any liquid thing. Okay, this has 2 liters capacity. This has 2.5 liters capacity. It has 1 liter capacity and it has 500 milliliter capacity. So that is the smallest among all these. Okay. Here are some cold drinks bottles. You can see in the market also all these things. This bottle holds 200 milliliter. It has the capacity of 500 milliliter and this cold drink is 1 liter. Okay, so we can get more than also, that is 2 liters. It means these bottles have that much capacity of holding the thing. Here are the oil bottles you could have seen at your house. This has 5 liters oil, it has 10 liters oil and it is containing 20 liters of oil. So that is its capacity. So here your class is over, children, and you had given some exercises given in the book of liters and milliliters. Milliliters you have to add with milliliters and liters you have to add with liters. Here some questions of addition and subtraction are given in the book, and some exercises are given. So try to do it. Thank you children.